Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional email template in Canva and integrate it into Mailchimp. This is a great way to streamline your email marketing campaigns and maintain a consistent brand image. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open Mailchimp. If you're new to it, Mailchimp is an email marketing platform that helps you create and manage campaigns. You can sign up for free at Mailchimp.com and get started quickly. Once logged in, locate the Create button and click on it. From the menu, select Email and choose the type of email you'd like to create. In this case, we'll create a regular email. Give your campaign a name such as Test Campaign and click on Begin. Now that we've set up the campaign name, let's configure the basic settings. Add the recipients by specifying the list of contacts you want to email. Then, fill out the From section with your email address and name. Next, add a subject line for your email. For this tutorial, we'll use Test Campaign. Once everything is filled out, save these settings. Click on Design Email to move to the next step. Choose a basic template. For example, if you're sending an email for a YouTube video, you might select the Big News layout. Once you select it, the builder will load your layout. At this point, we need to customize the design. Let's switch over to Canva to create a custom banner and other visual elements for our email. In Canva, search for Email Banner in the Template section. Choose a design that suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll pick a simple banner template. Click on Customize to open the editor. In the editor, clear any unnecessary elements from the template to start fresh. Add your text, such as your channel name or the purpose of the email. Center the text and adjust the size to make it readable. Customize the text color, font, and style as needed. You can also change the background color to complement your text. Once satisfied, rename the design to something like Email Header Banner and download it. Go back to Mailchimp and upload the banner to your email template. To do this, click on the banner placeholder, upload the file from your computer. The banner will appear at the top of your email. Next, let's add text to your email. Use the text block in Mailchimp to enter your content. For example, you might write something like, "Check out our latest video on how to make money with Canva." Center align the text and customize its color, font, and size for better readability. To make your email more engaging, include an image below the text. Return to Canva and create an image relevant to your campaign. For instance, you can search for a graphic related to money or a specific topic. Once you find an image, use it as the background, adjust the transparency, and add your title or other elements. Download the completed design and upload it to Mailchimp as you did with the banner. Finally, let's add a call to action button. In Mailchimp, drag the button block to your template. Label the button with text like Watch Now or Learn More. Customize the button color to match your email theme. At the bottom of the email, include social media links if needed, or add them to the footer. Once your email design is complete, click on Save and Exit to move to the scheduling page. Review your email settings, and if everything looks good, you can either send it immediately or finish later. That's how you can create an email template in Canva and integrate it into Mailchimp. This method allows you to produce professional and visually appealing emails for your marketing campaigns. And that's it. Thank you for watching.